I find it is very arranged event, very proper, systematic event where the facilities what you have done, you have presented is good. Takeaways would be, as I said, we met a lot of prospects and they were quite interested in our product. So we are looking forward for those many more events to come in future for this and having a collaboration with 𝐒𝐻𝐢𝐭 for sure. Yeah, first of all, networking is very important in our sales. So I feel the way you conducted was different. We had few events in past week in the same hotel, in 𝐒𝐻𝐢𝐭, but I won't take the name of the organizers, but it was not properly arranged because we invest money and we expect good leads out of it. To be very frank, from a sales background, I'm saying this. We invest money, we want prospect to come at our desk and discuss the problem, and then we're according to give them solution. At least we'll set up a meeting with them. We were not able to do that holistically in the last two events, but today we got a chance. Within the short span of 10-15 minutes, we were able to do healthy networking, sharing of cards. They also discussed a lot of problems with us, and many of them appreciated 𝐒𝐻𝐢𝐭𝐢𝐨𝐧 sir, who is our chairman and our session. So that's the another thing. He just got 20 minutes, so he probably wanted 2 hours plus for his. To be very frank, it's 10 on 10 from my end. It's not just you're taking my interview and hence I'm saying this, to be very frank, but it's I also discussed with Nikhil sir and chairman sir. So what we were expecting, we got it. So in terms of, I discussed with one of your colleague also. So footfall is what is important. Quality footfall is important for me basically. So you people ensured what we got, and thank you so much.